Wait, I'm bored. Wait, there's more land. If there's more land, more gold. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. A few moments later. Wait. For the second time, if it didn't work, I gonna win with myself forever. Victory. Wait, Spain got more land. Spain got more land. I gonna attack the Philippines, so I got more land. Let me attempt. Hey Spain, let me be independent now. I gotta be independent in 3. No, don't you even there. Anyway, I have struggled. Want to get the Philippines. Hey, let me have the Philippines. Sir, sure. But remember, be side of the Philippines, okay? So they will not notice that you're gonna take them, okay? Victory! Hey, let me see. It's the same thing that I attack Spain. Let me see if I could do this again. Numero 2 part 2. Bro, forgot I used the reverse card. Meme! I fell back to the Philippines, so I gonna make him ipunditend. Yeah! We are going to Japan! I gonna make you epitated again. Yeah! No more little old president that never changed. No more. Okay. Ohio CBD chipi chipi chupu chupu chipi chipi chupu chupu. That's now only for content video. So I can see you another video of Country Ball. So bye bye.